In this video, we're going to show you how to test the thermal fuse in your dryer. So our thermal fuse looks much like a thermostat, but it's actually a fuse, which means once it opens up, it's done and gone. It's not going to reset itself. It's not going to be reusable. So we're going to take a multimeter to test this, and ideally you want to have one set on a setting in resistance where it'll make an audible sound so that when you put your two leads together, you'll hear a beep. And then we'll use the same thing on the thermal fuse. See if we get a sound. And that's showing we have continuity, so this thermal fuse is good. If we didn't get any sound, then we would have a bad thermal fuse and you'd have to replace it. One thing to keep in mind with thermal fuses is, being a fuse, it's serving a purpose. It's a safety feature. If this is blown, you want to try and find out why it blew as compared to just putting another one in there, because if there is a problem and you haven't corrected that, it's just going to blow the new one and you've wasted your money. This typically is protecting the machine if it senses that the air is getting too hot, and that can be a result of either another thermostat that's bad, an element that's shorted, or possibly even the belt is broken and you're not getting the airflow that it should be through the drum, and that'll cause it to blow. Or if the blower's failed or it's jammed, this is what's going to protect the machine. So the other thing that can cause this as well is your vent outside in the house. If your vent is plugged or the little flapper where it comes outside can't open and restricts the airflow, it'll overheat the air into the machine and this will open up, protecting everything. So if this is bad, have a look further in your dryer and see if you can find out why possibly it failed. And that's how easy it is to diagnose a thermal fuse.